Hello friends. So normally I go live on my YouTube channel on Wednesdays, but instead I'm gonna shake it up a little bit and I'm gonna be going live in my Simply Cooking group. So if you wanna be sure not to miss a live, then join me in my cooking group and you can talk to me. So today I am really excited to share something super quick and easy with you guys. And this one's for you, Kay, because I know you were wanting to make caramel popcorn. So that's what we're gonna make today, is caramel popcorn from Joy Filled Eats, and this is so good. So I'm excited to share it with you. All right, hey Lucinda, welcome. Okay, I'm gonna use my steamer to pop my popcorn. You can use whatever you have. I am just going to put half a cup of popcorn in here. So just like this. And then I'm gonna put this in the microwave for, I've been doing between 4 and 4.5 minutes because I'm trying to get all of the kernels popped. So I just did 4 minutes and 15 seconds, my happy medium. Okay, and you can use whatever way, just you want popped popcorn is the result. And this is what I had on hand. This is not normally what I buy. I usually get the organic one from Trader Joe's, but I'm out. So this is what I got. Okay, so I am going to show you guys how to make the sauce. It's so easy, you guys. It should blow your mind. Okay, I'm gonna start over here just so you guys can see me better. This is my pan. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in here because you know what is amazing? Something magical happens when you put Gentle Sweet, the sweetener, into the pan. It becomes a liquid. So I use the recipe, I'm gonna link it after for you guys, but the recipe actually calls for another sweetener, but I just sub in Gentle Sweet and it works perfectly. So I need, where's my measure? Here we go. I'm gonna measure out my Gentle Sweet. Okay, so straight in, dry. And then I'm not gonna measure these, and I'm gonna, out of respect for the author of the recipe, I'm just gonna put this in and you guys can look at it when we're done. But you can see I'm not measuring because I also am not one to measure. Terrible. Okay, and then I'm gonna add salt. This one calls for sea salt, but I only have Himalayan salt and it works just as good. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, now all we have to do is warm this up on the stove. Okay, so I'm just gonna, this is gonna melt down into a liquid. Ooh, it's already doing its thing. Okay, then what you're gonna want to prepare, it takes 6 cups. So when this comes out, we're gonna measure out 6 cups, and you're gonna want to line a pan with something that won't stick. I'm using my silicone liner. You could use parchment paper, whatever you have on hand. And then we are going to add those things. So did you guys see? For real, this is salt, Gentle Sweet, caramel. I use the THM one, by the way. This one's my favorite. It's so good. I put that in my coffee too. And vanilla. That's it. And popcorn, of course. Okay. Then, let's see how long this is. We're waiting. Like, you could do the dishes right now. So many things you could be doing. So while we're just chatting for a second, waiting on our popcorn, I am going to plan on going live in here weekly on Wednesdays and showing you guys something Trim Healthy Mama, because I love Trim Healthy Mama. And so if you want to get in on that, make sure that tell your friends about the group. And also I'm gonna launch this up to YouTube after, so if you want to share it with somebody, please share it with your friends so that they can learn how to do these quick, easy things as well. And then I will put it, I can put the link back in this group too for the YouTube video when we're done. So be sure to like and subscribe those so that you don't miss any of my YouTube. We're almost done. 30 seconds. Feels like forever. Not really, actually. I could be doing so many things. Think of all the things you can do in 30 seconds. It goes by so fast. Okay. So then once we get this out, we're gonna measure out 6 cups, and usually I just put the sauce right on top of, in my silicone ware, but I want you guys to see it better, so I'm gonna do this. This is coming. See, this is taking longer than the actual popcorn, but it's almost done. It's very close. This is like icing right now. That's what it looks like. So if you need a good icing, that's fuel pull. There you go. There you go. Just some gentle sweet and almond milk. Almond milk. Okay. Oh, sad. It didn't pop up like I hoped it would. Sometimes it doesn't work perfectly. I will not. I'm sad. Oh well. It is what it is. If you put in half a cup, you kind of have to play with it, because what I've learned is not all popcorn is created equal. And so different ones do different things. This one is a white corn. I don't know. I don't know why it does that. It's so weird. Okay, so I'm gonna measure out 6 cups, and I'm just gonna put it, oh, and ooh, that is hot. I do not like when it has kernels. This one did not pop up well. Oh well, you guys, this is real life. This happens. Does this happen to you guys? Just stuff like this. So it happens to me too. Okay. Don't want to get those kernels in here because I don't like crunching on kernels on my teeth. That does not feel good. So there you go. Oh, see, and I just did it again. Wow, I should win a prize. Okay, I made a backup plan, so I'm going to it because I can. This was my mom's popcorn. See? Isn't that weird? Hers came out completely differently. I don't understand. I don't understand. All right, let's see. I think that was 4. I just need a couple more. 5 and 6. Okay. However you get your popcorn, get your popcorn. Then spread this out. Okay. You see what I'm doing? And hello friends. Say hi if you're here. Okay, this is melted. This is melted. I want to show it to you guys so you can see how awesome this is. Remember how it started as powder? Can you guys even see in here? Do you see that? It's liquid. Just completely liquefies. I don't know, it's like magic to me. So I am going to pour this over. So make sure you have something that's not going to stick to, because you don't want to deal with that mess. Not fun. Then I'm just going to swirl this on. Now normally I would just do it in the bowl, but so you guys can see me and what I'm doing, I'm just doing it on here. Then you want to let this sit and dry. And hot tip, for real hot tip. Don't try a sample while it's hot. You will burn your mouth. There's something crazy hot about when Gentle Sweet is warmed up. You will just burn your mouth right off. So don't do it. Ask me how I know. I did it. I did it. This is why I tell you, learn through me. Don't make, oh, and I'm flinging it all over the place. Don't worry. It is xylitol free. My dog's sleeping on the floor though. He didn't even notice. I'm surprised he didn't run over here. Okay, so that's it. Now, it's hot. You're gonna wanna let it sit for like 10 minutes and then you can eat it. Now, I made another one so I can show you it done. Ta-da! Done. Now, why do I love this recipe? This is such a great gift for people or an awesome snack. Did you hear that crunch? That's the Gentle Sweet. Don't talk with your mouth full. I'm setting a very bad example. That was a Gentle Sweet hardened. That's what happens. It hardens up on here. Then, you know what you can do? I'm gonna show you guys. You can make little gifts. You guys know these like little bags You can buy them at the store. I think those are from Walmart for like $1. Gift this to your friends. And just put some in here. I mean, you can use a spoon or whatever you want to get it in. But this makes awesome little treat bags for your kids, for your grandkids, for your friends, for your Trim Healthy sisters, or your Trim Healthy papas, whoever. Look how easy that is. I make several, so isn't that cute? You get some of those little fun ties, and then you have a little Trim Healthy Mama treat. Portable. I love this. Now, can you eat this by itself? I hope you said no. I hope you said no. What could you eat it with? Let me show you. How about a chomps? That would make a great afternoon snack. I'm just pulling out my variety pack. Look at all these flavors. This would be a great afternoon snack. Grab yourself a chomps, all these flavors, bajillions of them. And this, these are on sale right now, you guys. I'll put a link for you if you're interested. But seriously, these pair are awesome. Well, that is it. If you are watching the playback from YouTube, please like, subscribe, hit all the things. Thank you so much. Thank you, my Simply Cooking group. I hope this was helpful for you. Please make some yummy, delicious caramel corn, and I will post the link for the recipe for you guys, okay? All right, have an awesome day.